Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So before we get started, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So take a look at this AUD USD. We actually did analysis for this movement, right? I told you guys that we would also be expecting a bullish move for the week on AUD USD. Though we did not have much movement, but actually we actually opened and closed bullish, which we are all expecting, right? I told you guys that this week that just finished, right? We would see a further bearish move on USD or DXY, thereby making our AUD to USD actually give us a bullish move, which we actually did. You can take a look at this. We actually opened and closed bullish. So when you take a look at this daily time frame, you see that on Monday and Tuesday, right? We actually had a bearish move. If you are following this channel consistently, you know how I highlighted this level, right? This level has been highlighted about 3 weeks ago, right? I told you guys that we'll be having a bullish move to hit this level. Then once this price hits this our level, which I've highlighted, right, we will be having a pullback. So this is one of the reasons why we added this pullback. Now that this pullback we've gotten this pullback, what next do we expect? We expect a further bullish move to be able to break this ice, thereby giving us a new high. So we will be expecting a new higher highs on AUD USD, right? You would have known how we highlighted this level. Now let's see what this price will be moving for this week. To be able to predict such movements, right, we would want to start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So when you take a look at this movement, right, the trend for this AUD USD, you see the long-term movement, which is on the monthly time frame. Clearly, this is a bearish move, right? There's no doubt that we're having a lower lows and a lower highs on our AUD USD on the monthly time frame, right? Coupled with the fact that this price is trading below our 10 period moving average, right? We all know that once this price is below our 10 period moving average, this is a short position. But as at now, this AUDUS is now correcting itself and it is giving us a bullish move. You can call it as a pullback if you want, right? You see this movement down, right? And we are seeing this bullish move, which is a pullback. So since we are having this pullback movement, right? Is this pullback over? Definitely not. This pullback movement is not yet over, or you can possibly see this as a bullish move, or the rally movements, right? Or a momentum. It is actually still not over. So we will still be expecting more bullish move on AUD USD. So that is to tell you that we still have to go long on AUD to USD, right? So you take a look at this is the month of October, November, right? We actually had a bullish move, which gave us about 6%. So we actually made about close to 400 pips bullish move about last month for the month of November, right? And now this is our new month, which is December, and we've actually made a bullish move. So this bullish move is definitely not over. We still expect more bullish move on AUD USD. So that is to tell you that since we are expecting more bullish move for this month of December on AUD USD, so this AUD USD, we should still continue our bullish move or our long position on AUD USD, right? So that should now take us to the weekly time frame. So what's the weekly time frame? What does it say? Because we want to analyze trade for the week, right? And we would mostly want to analyze it from the week. So what does this week actually says? It actually says an uptrend move, and it has now broken above our moving average that we will all expect, right? It is trading above our moving average. Price have gone bullish, broken above our moving average, and it is trading above our moving average. And you can see this movement, right? Here comes an impulse move. And here we've gotten a pullback, right? And now a new highs have been made. Notice that this new highs broke this previous high, so we would want to still see it move further up before a pullback. Though a pullback have been made within this weekly time frame, right? So which is more visible on the daily time frame. If you take a look at it, this week that passed, we actually had a pullback. The price have gone bullish, so there's no doubt about that. This week also, we would still want to have a bullish move on AUDUSD, thereby our price opening and closing bullish this week. So AUDUSD, watch out for a bullish move for this week. So our price should be able to open and close bullish for this week. So AUDUSD on the weekly time frame, we are also speculating a bullish move. Notice that on the monthly time frame, we still want a bullish move to happen. We still want a more bullish move, right, for this month of December on AUDUSD. When you take a look at this month weekly time frame, we still expect a bullish move. We are still speculating a bullish move. Now, when you take it, go down to the daily time frame, sorry. So you will know, especially when you want to trade with the daily time frame, you want to ask yourself what is the trend. So you clearly can say this is an uptrend move. So let's start this moment from here for quick analysis. So you will see here as an impulse move, and here comes a correction, right? This is an impulse move. Then we actually add a double top, around this level, right? So you see it right at this level, right? Price give us a pullback, no doubt about that. Now, price have given us a new highs. Notice that this new highs have broken this previous highs. You would know how I liked this level, right? About 3 weeks ago, right? I told you that price should be able to hit this level before a pullback will happen. Now, price have hit this level, right? Now, a pullback has been made on this AUDUSD. What do we expect next? We are expecting a further bullish move, whereby we will be having a new highs. So this highs needs to be broken, right? That is to tell you that this ice will now become our former ice, right? So this ice will now become our new ice. So this ice needs to be broken. So we will expect a further bullish move on AUDUSD. And you can also see that this price is still trading above our 10th period moving average. So that is still an indication that AUDUSD will continue to go bullish. And also notice that this week CPI will be released, right? And you will notice that that itself will actually push our USD downward, because when you take a look at it, it's actually, the forecast is, especially when you go to forex factory, you see that the forecast is quite below than the previous. That is to tell you that this USD itself, the USD index itself, will continue to drop. Possibly you can wait for this price the news to be released before you place this trade, because I don't think more movement will be much movement will be made on Monday, but there will be a much movement on Tuesday and Wednesday. So we should watch out. Possibly once the news have been released, then we can now see, and when we see our prices going up, then we can go ahead to go long. That is if you want to trade your movement like that, no problem. But this technical aspect of it, we are still on a bullish move. You can still see this price trading above our moving average. So this AUD USD itself, we would still want to continue that bullish move. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. What does this 4-hour time frame says? See, we're having an higher highs and an higher lows. So that is an indication that we are to still go long on AUD USD. So you can take a look at this as an impulse move. Here comes a correction, right? Here we've gotten a new highs, and there comes a correction on AUD USD, right? So we've gotten move up. So let's still see this price moves further up. Once this price moves further up and we have a correction, then you can go ahead to go long on this AUDUSD. There's no problem. If you want to be patient enough for another pullback to occur or happen before you enter to go long, then there's no problem. AUDUSD, we should see our price open and close bullish for this week.